Located in the heart of Shinjuku, Japan, you'll find a tiny restaurant famous for its sukiyaki. It's highly rated amongst multiple restaurant review sites. This place is known as Ibuki. It's open daily from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m., but make sure to make reservations in advance as this place can get very crowded since it's popular amongst tourists and locals. Finding this restaurant can be very difficult. What you want to look for is a place outside called 3 Bar, which isn't actually the restaurant. Make your way inside and go up to the second floor until you see this sign, which is for the restaurant itself. The restaurant is dim and very cozy, and it can seat up to roughly 20 guests. It's a small family-run business with friendly English-speaking staff. Now on to the food. Sukiyaki is a dish prepared and served in a one-pot dish known as nabemono, and it is cooked hot pot style in a shallow iron pot. It consists of ingredients such as thinly sliced beef, tofu, negi, which is a type of Japanese scallion, leafy vegetables, mushrooms, in this case they're using shiitake mushrooms, and glass noodles. We had a wonderful elderly server who was self-taught in English, and she helped to cook our food right in front of us. This restaurant used Wagyu beef, which has a tender melt-in-your-mouth texture due to the high fat content, as you can see in the marbling of the meat. It's a more expensive cut of meat, but definitely worth trying since it's incredibly delicious. Here you can see our server add a sweet mixture of soy sauce, sugar, and mirin to boil the ingredients. The heat source is a butane burner, which doesn't take long to cook the food. What you'll notice on the table is a raw egg in a bowl. Make sure to beat it well because this will be your dip for the meat. It might seem a little unusual to dip your meat in the raw egg, but trust me, it's delicious. The egg will also help to cool down the meat. The meat was so tender and delicious, and it literally melts in your mouth. As you can see, the ingredients are very clean and simple, and the overall flavor profile is sweet due to the light broth. I had an amazing dining experience at Ibuki, and I must say that their sukiyaki is suki yummy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to support my channel, and I'll be sure to put out more content.